whole thing seems so magical.
Sure, Charlie, let me see if I can find it. Ah, here it is.
Let's see now. It says, greetings to you, the lucky finder of this golden ticket from Mr. Willy Wonka.
Tremendous things are in store for you.
And many wonderful surprises await you.
Now, I do invite you to come to my factory gates and be my guest for one whole day.
You must come to the factory gates at 10 o'clock sharp in the morning.
Don't be late. Signed, Mr. Wonka.
This factory sure is big, but who cares? Look, everyone, that's him. That's Willy Wonka.
Are you ready, Charlie?
I'm ready for this adventure, Grandpa Joe.
Let's
So these guys only had 4 weeks to rehearse this, to learn all the lines, know what they were doing, and they worked really, really hard on their costumes. So let's give them a nice big clap, friends. All right, and next up, in 3 weeks' time, Drama Club Group B are doing their performance inside the chocolate factory. And like I said, there will be a special appearance from some orange Oompa Loompas.